How's it going, guys? Got my big Epiq toolbox. It's a smaller version. Just recently added this locker. Right here at the power bank top. Kinda don't like it. A lot of people complain. I agree with them. They should have added some USB ports onto that side. Spent so much money for this top, and you have to have shit like this. Chargers on top of chargers, and you really can't use the outlets. The big pry bars on top. Snap-on guy, give me this little guy, a bobblehead. So first drawer, it's a socket drawer. I picked up that shit that Michael was selling. You put everything in the little bits. Actually, I'm pretty satisfied with this. Do definitely like it. I had to order some more of these on the 3/8. These are the 1/2 inch. I had to order more 3/8. He didn't supply me with enough. I was gonna pretty much have everything sorted out. If it looks like this after I'm done, I'm gonna be pretty happy. It definitely opened up a lot of room. This, of course, I still have some gap right here, which would be perfect. Gonna have my long extensions here. Definitely like it. Hope it comes out good. I'll give you guys an update once it's all done. Second drawer, screwdrivers, body clip screwdrivers, Torx. These don't really use that much. They were pretty cheap when I got them. Post pick pliers. I got these when I bought these. I had to get a little package going on. These are from the Cornwall guy. I got them for 60 bucks. Definitely not bad. I'll eventually find some use for them. O-ring screwdrivers, chisels, punches, bit set from Cornwall. Empty drawer. Don't know what to put in here yet. Set of wrenches. Got these guys right here. These actually I like, especially for doing alignments, removing those bolts for the rears, for adjusting toes. These definitely come in handy. It's more kind of miscellaneous stuff. Snap gun, thermal gun. Definitely has saved me a couple times. Definitely worth the investment. Here's the wireless scope meter. I got the scope up here, chilling right there. Plier drawer. This one, I've been trying to figure out how to organize this. And my guys keep coming in here messing it up. Half-inch extensions, bits for the air hammer. Some more ratchets and extensions. Just a little miscellaneous stuff. Paperwork and books. Here, just have extra chemicals. More chemicals. More cases. This used to be in the other toolbox that I had, so I figured I'd just put everything in here. Got my scanners in here. And the Bear's Edge. Hotel. This one, don't like it. Good with the display. Empty drawer. And pretty much all of the connectors for the scanners. Old school Vantage. Still works. This is my other box. Gotta clean it up a lot. And then I have another one over here. That one's pretty much empty. It has a lot of miscellaneous stuff. That's where I had all the cases. I'll show you guys a video on that later on. The new Hunter machine. That is a lot better machine than what I used to have. A lot more faster alignments for sure. Alright guys, I'll give you guys an update on this blue box later on. Thanks for watching.